So you've got me lying down on a job today. What we're going to be doing is using a multi to chop these cupboards down underneath. Got to take that square off to make them look like this side, which you can't really see that well, but to make it look like it's floating anyway. So I'm going to do that now. It's a bit noisy, I'm not going to lie. So let's see how we go. And that is basically that. So that should just pop off now. And that allows me then to put the plinth from one end to the other once I've cut them ones off. And I also have got my big brave apprentice with me today, who's got my ear protectors in, so I am now deaf. Here he is, say hello. He's got his Halloween jumper on. And that's that. So have a nice day. I'm going to sleep.